This video highlights the simplicity of embedding WhatsApp 24/7's various plugins on your community websites. Share this with your IT professional or web developer, and they will know exactly what to do. For this video, we are using a website builder called NicePage. While interfaces differ among platforms, the general processes your web developer will use to get your community plugins on your website are universal. They will simply 1. Create new pages. 2. Embed community plugins using HTML code. And 3. Modify the menu to showcase these new community pages. Before we get started, here's a screenshot of the WhatsApp 24/7 dashboard. This Plugins tab on the left is where you can manage your website plugins and generate HTML code to send to your web developer. Don't worry, you don't have to understand the code. You just get to decide what to display on your various community plugins, then copy the code that our platform generates for you and send it to your developer. Check out our plugin tutorial videos for in-depth info on creating and customizing your plugins. Now, back to our website builder. I've already created a page where I can embed a directory plugin. Now I'm going to add an HTML element under the header. Then I will simply paste the code generated from my WhatsApp 24/7 dashboard. This code is displaying all organizations from zip codes that I've chosen and displaying them here. Now let's create an experiences page. Start with a new page, or simply duplicate the directory page and rename it. Since I've duplicated this page, I want to be sure to update this heading. Finally, I will update the HTML code. Again, I got this code from my WhatsApp 24/7 dashboard under the Plugins tab. Let's duplicate our Experiences page and rename this Events. I want to be sure to change the heading as well. Now I'm pasting the code for Events. It really is this easy. One more time. Let's duplicate this page and rename it Jobs so we can promote job openings in the area. Now, update the header text and replace the code. In a matter of minutes, I added 4 community plugins to this website. An easy way to get website visitors to these new pages is simply add a community dropdown in your main menu. We've also seen eye-catching mega menus used to help users navigate community information. Another way is to add a community page or section to the home page with icon buttons linked to pages with various community plugins. Let's take a look at these pages on the live website. In this video, we demonstrated embedding just 4 basic plugins. But under the Plugins tab in your WhatsApp 24/7 dashboard, you can even create plugins that only display certain categories like food and drink, health and fitness, etc. Make sure to check out our tutorials on creating and customizing your WhatsApp 24/7 community plugins. Thanks for joining us. If you or your web developer or IT professional need additional help, send us an email at support@whatsapp247.com.